For the quiz practice for Unit 10 over circles, the first part is just identifying the parts of a circle. So for number 1, segment RQ, this would be a chord, and a chord is letter C. Number 2, LN, this is a secant. Okay, it not only goes just from one point to the other point on a circle, it also extends outside of the circle. Okay. Number 3, angle R, Y, U. So right here, this angle here is an inscribed angle because the vertex is on the circle. So that's L. Point Q is a point on the circle, but this is the point of tangency because a tangent line comes from that point. So that's G. Arc in RQ. Okay, that's half of my circle, so that's a semicircle, which is letter J. For number 6, line YU. So that goes through the circle at 2 points, which is a secant, which is letter E. NQ, okay, that goes through the center. Endpoint to endpoint is on the circle, which is a diameter. So D for diameter there. Number 8, angle QPM. So QPM, here the center of the vertex is in the center of the circle. So this is a central angle K. Okay, down there, K. Number 9, we have arc YW. So this is a minor arc. It is less than half the circle. Segment UX is a radius. Point P is the center of a circle, so it's A. Line TS is a tangent line. It touches the circle at one point. Arc UWR. So UWR is a major arc. Angle YXU. So this angle here, again, that's going to be a central angle because the vertex is in the center. It's okay. Number 15, segment QL. So this is a tangent. It's on the outside of my circle, touches it at one point. So that would be a tangent, which is letter F. We have angle RQN. So RQN. Well, this angle here is on the circle, so that's called an inscribed angle. Arc QM, minor. Segment YW, so from here to here, that's a chord, which is letter C. Segment PN, so that right there, that piece is a radius. So B. And arc YUR. So that is half of my circle, which is a semicircle, which is J. Okay. For number 21, you're just finding the missing measurements and then filling in the arcs and angles here. So we know that this is 90, and we also know that CE is a diameter. So this half of the circle has to equal 180. So 180 minus 90 gives me 90 for this angle as well. Now, two things. One, we have another diameter here. So this side has to be 90 and 90 as well, since it's 180 in total. And then these are vertical angles, so they have to match. So we know that all of these arcs here are 90. We were also given that this arc is 34. So to figure out GF, we could do 90 minus 34 to get this piece here. And if we subtract that, we get 56. Okay. Another thing to note is that on the green line here, these three angles have to add up to 180. Alright, so now the measure of arc CD is 90 degrees. DF is 90 plus 34, which is 124 degrees. DCF is 90 plus 90 plus 56. And that would be 236. Okay, and then angle GDF, so G to D to F would be adding 90, 90, 90, and 34. Same thing as taking 360 minus 56. So either way you could do that. You would get 304 degrees. Okay, lastly, what is the measure of angle FHG? It is 56 degrees.